crafting train tracks with the Create mod isn't as simple as crafting them in a basic crafting table. There's some tricks to being able to do it properly, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a really simple, compact machine that's really powerful for making your train tracks. So let's check it out. Now, to create a train track, you need some kind of stone slab, and then you press either iron nuggets or zinc nuggets into them. And then you have to press them with a mechanical press. And that gives you the final state, the train track itself. With this machine, if we attach our power source anywhere available, like so, we can see it goes to work. And the way it works is the slabs come out this funnel, they move along the belt, they get some nuggets pressed into them, and then they get pressed with the mechanical press, and then they get sucked back up into the vault. And we have a simple access to getting your train tracks right here on display for you. You need a stack, you pick it up, and it's instantly replaced by another stack. Couldn't be easier. Here's a quick list of everything we need, and you can see it's not very much. We need only 20 item vaults, although if you want to make the vault bigger, you definitely can. 8-inch chase cane drives. We only need 1 mechanical belt, not 5. 4 chests, 4 chutes, 2 deployers, 1 depot, and 1 mechanical press. Not too much at all. And I got everything to make it right here. You can see there's a couple other things. You're probably going to need a wrench. You'll definitely need 2 shafts for your belt. I suggest using a filter, although that's not necessary. And there's only 3 types of slabs you can use in making train tracks. Those are stone slabs, smooth stone slabs, and andesite slabs, so you're going to need some of those. Okay, I've laid out a little template area here for us to build our machine. As you can see, it's 4 blocks wide by 6 blocks long, pretty small. And we're going to start with the vault, and this blue wool here represents the vault, so I'm just going to make a 2x2 vault and bring it all the way down so that it's 5 blocks long. The orange wool here represents the conveyor belt, so let's put that in and attach our belt just like so. We're going to need some funnels, so let's put one there, and then one there. And then you see this purple wool? Well, that's where our depot is going to go. That's going to spit out the train tracks. One other thing you're going to need to finish off this, you're going to need 1 completed train track and put it right in the filter slot. So only those completed train tracks come out this side. You're also going to want to put a filter on this first funnel here. If you know you're going to only use, say, stone slabs, you can go ahead and put just the stone slab in, or I suggest using a filter. You can add all 3 of the possible slabs to the filter, and you can put that right there, and then it will only spit those out onto the conveyor belt. Next, we're going to take 2 deployers. Let's go ahead and shift right click them right on top of the conveyor belt, and you can see they go in perfectly. And we're going to take our mechanical press and do just the same. Next, we're going to get up on top of the machine. Our 2 deployers here are going to need nuggets fed to them, and we're going to do that by putting some chutes on top of them, and then a double chest. And we can go ahead and drop our nuggets in there. Next, we're going to take our last 2 chutes, and in this corner by the 2 funnels, we're going to put one there and one there. And we're going to go ahead and put another double chest on top of those. And this is where our slabs are going to go. Next, you want to make sure all your funnels are pointed correctly. These 2 funnels want to point outwards as they are. This funnel needs to point inwards. It's going to suck everything back into the vault when it comes to this end. All right, it's looking good. We're almost there. Now we just need to add our encased chain drives right where this red wool is. I'm going to put one right there, 2, and 3. And then over here, I'm going to put another one, and then one more, and run the last 3 down here all the way to that chute. And with that, your train track machine is ready to go. Hook up your power to it anywhere. For display purposes, I'm going to use this Create motor. And there we go. We see it working away. Let's speed it up a little bit. It's working perfectly, and now you're going to have train tracks for days. For those that are interested, I will leave the schematics in the description for download if you want those. And I will also put a material list in the description so you have easy access to it. Also, if you're interested in learning how to convert your Litematica schematics into NBT schematics, well, I made a tutorial for it right there. Check it out. It's pretty useful. I hope this tutorial helped you in making all your train tracks, and I will see you next time. Later.